since 1947 till 1949. Thank you. This central hall was the center of making our constitution. When I was accosted to this hall today, and I was asked to sit in this bench, I remembered about a photograph of my father. He was a member of the Constituent Assembly, and he was sharing that bench with Maulana Azad. It so happened that the minority community was followed by the province of Odisha. It was O and M. And today, I'm really delighted that I'm sharing a bench with Nazmaji. Of course, in between, Hukumdev ji and Dinesh ji are there. But there has been a long flow of water in the river Yamuna. Many people have come to this house. Many people have excelled. Many people have contributed for the development of this nation. And today, I'm really humbled that I have been selected as an outstanding parliamentarian. Do I deserve it? I don't know. But this award is an award not for me. This award is for the party, Biju Janata Dal, the leader, Naveen Patnaik, who reposed faith in me, trust in me, that here is a person who can work for the state, work for the party, work for the constituency. This award is actually for the trust that the people of my constituency reposed in me again and again. It is that trust which is being awarded. It is the trust of the people that actually is being awarded today. As it is said in our place, हम तो निमित्त मात्र हैं. We are just a medium. Anyone who is in public life, who is nominated to be a candidate from a specific constituency, he has a job to do. He has a work to do. He has to perform. And it is that performance gets doubly encouraged when there is certain encouragement. And this is another type of encouragement that we get. That when recognition comes for the trust that the people have posed in me. When I was here, Dinesh ji asked me, have you written something? Hukumdev ji asked me, आप कौन सी भाषा में बोलेंगे? आप तो लिख के लाते हैं हर वक्त. I remember what my mother used to tell me. What was my father's desire? Have I lived up to their expectation? I don't know. But the only thing which they actually had expressed in so many ways, what is our life about? Why have we come to this earth? It is only to be helpful to others. And being in public life, this much what I have derived from my father and my mother is do service for the people of this country. Dedicate yourself and earn their trust. तो इसलिए मैं कहना चाहता हूँ। बस यही एक बात है। आई एम रियली इंडेटेड टू द इंडियन पार्लियामेंट्री ग्रुप who has selected me, and especially to Honorable Speaker who has have spoken today kind words about me. बस यही बात कहनी है। ख्वाहिश नहीं मुझे मशहूर होने की, ख्वाहिश नहीं मुझे मशहूर होने की, आपने मुझे पहचाना इतना ही काफ़ी है। अच्छे ने अच्छा का, बुरे ने बुरा समझा मुझे। जिसको जितने का ज़रूरत थी उतने ही समझा मुझे। I have no hesitation in explaining. If somebody is against me, is speaking against me, he has certain reason to do that. If somebody is angry with me, he has certain reason to be that. But if somebody is praising me, I should not feel elated. That is what our scripture, हमारे शास्त्र हमको बार बार समझाते आए हुए हैं. Today, when I stand here in this august house, I feel humbled. Many a time I ponder whether I have fulfilled their dream, their desire, whether I have lived up to the expectations of the people who have posed trust in me, whether the work I do is actually any worth for their tremendous faith in me. Trust, truthfully, I would say this award has come at a time. This award has come at a time which has assured me that the trust the people have on me is being rewarded and has entrusted greater responsibility on my shoulder to serve the people and be their voice in this temple of democracy. एक बात कह के मैं ख़त्म करूँगा अपनी ये बात. एक अजीब सी दौड़ है. I have contested already 7 elections. First 2 elections I lost. Rest 5 I have been continuously winning from the same constituency because of the love of the people and also the confidence that the leader and the party has on me. अजीब सी दौड़ है ये जिंदगी. जीत जाओ तो कई अपने पीछे छूट जाते हैं और हार जाओ तो अपने पीछे छोड़ जाते हैं. बैठ जाता हूँ जमीन पे अक्सर क्योंकि मेरी औकात मुझे अच्छा लगता है. धन्यवाद.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद श्री भर्तृहरि महताब जी.